Good morning, guys. Let's talk about micro strategy today. So, guys, I'm going to talk about micro strategy and something that is holding micro strategy right now, guys. Is this band, the lower band? You see, some recent months was holding until we saw the bullish candlestick, and right now. We have this. Remember, this was the bullish candlestick and macro strategy. Macro strategy. He had this bearish candlestick, and it was signaling. And guys, this thing is not going to pump anytime soon. At least 1,000 is going to come on pant. Pant is just getting started. It's just want to drop, but pant is still holding. So don't worry, this thing is going to drop. It's going to follow these charts, and I will not go to delete this one. That's thing I'm going to monitoring. So by now we have this support which is around 1311 on this what the name retracement, and when you see over here, it's already telling you below 1505 bearish. That's EMA. I'm using today EMA and also ball pant, and it's telling you 1571 is a bullish, below there is bearish, and the lowest we can see is you see it around here, around 1714. That's this whole thing right now. Micro strategy. So guys, always you see micro strategy touches here. I think micro strategy is cool thing that you can play what's the name, options. Every morning will touch a span and then skyrocketing by evening, closing between this area. Today now you touches this area, and it might go to touches between 1475, and it's getting ugly and ugly. So I'm very confident on micro strategy that is going to drop. It's just a matter of time. It's trying to maintain on a few up. Yeah, it's trying to maintain on few up. Yeah, so let's go to see around I want to see 45 minutes before to go to see a BTC. So right now we have some volume who came in. You see this volume pushing micro strategy upside. Remember guys, every morning we have some volume which is pushing micro strategy from whenever it touches this band morning, every morning guys. I've already monitoring every morning. It's just pushing. We saw yesterday morning push it from here, we went to here, and today we are now printing another. We are going to watch today, and I'm still confident that micro strategy is not over. Yeah, it's not over, provided BTC is going down. Remember this one guys, Michael Tsla has been selling the stocks even today. In fact, we need to read about the information about some insiders are selling micro strategy. You see, let's see over here. I will start opening from here, and then crypto stock slip after Bitcoin hitting more 5 weeks low. Bitcoin is not over. So Bitcoin is not over guys. So Bitcoin and Max Rogers buy more Bitcoin. So guys, micro strategy is buy more Bitcoin because they sell it micro strategy the stocks, and then they go to invest in Bitcoin because I think company believe more in Bitcoin than the stocks. Max recently acquired additional 11,900, almost 12,000 Bitcoin, which they used the 786 million in cash to purchase made on April 27 and June 19, and they hold right now 226,318 BTC, and that's equal to 8.3 billion. So they hold a lot of billion, and they recently funded their proceeding promising this money for a company complete offering 2.5 convertible senior notes due to 32. MicroStrategy aggregated to amount 8 million note that private offering. The average price of the BTC. This one, guys, stay. This one is going to affect the stock. Yeah, even they have the balance sheet on Bitcoin is going to affect the normal stock. Bitcoin dropping, MicroStrategy is still buying more. So I had some, I don't know, they have not posted over yet, but I was reading some few minutes on like I think we can find that information on Nvidia, because Nvidia, they are selling Nvidia right now. You see this chart is already, this one, guys, don't worry, this thing is going to fall. And if you will be fried, if you be very bright, I think that this is not the right time to buy anything. I can tell you, only thing you can buy is a Tesla. So you see my right now on 45 minutes, the only thing that is holding Nvidia is just a few up this boil band. So wherever hitting this thing, Nvidia is going to hit less than $100 next week. And I explained, guys, on my video about Nvidia. So I want to show you the chart before I will not go to charts. Go and watch my video. You see this one, it closed yesterday, we opened below the bullish. So what's the next one? 120. That will be the next target. And on weekly on Nvidia, I've already explained, guys. That's why you need to subscribe. This is my YouTube channel. I will tell you the earliest possible. We had this candlestick which is which closed this week, and this one is going to give company a lot of this is a bearish candlestick. Yeah, this is the huge, because stock already lost around $25. Is it 25 or 15? Between 15-14, it's already lost in a short time. Remember, guys, it take a lot of days to build that $16, because it was increasing by 3. But when it's going to drop, why did this Nvidia was dropping? The company, let me see, they were selling the Nvidia price large percentage decrease since every data. So you see, they've already noticed that one. Nvidia currently 125, down $5 for, which is 4%. The lowest will close since June 11, when closes 120, and on large decrease will fell 10%. Current now 3 past 4 days. A lot of things they'll tell you. They're breaking down everything, and it's not off. So it's not easy. This one is going to be coming more. Apple offer a policy lesson on Nvidia, even as a cheap stock dip. Yeah, so there's a lot of things, debates going on, and yeah, there's a lot of debates going on. Sorry for. And Nvidia CEO, this one recalled billions of dollars of investment, deep planning, and the philosophy behind it. I don't get that information. I don't know. They were not posted over here. Maybe I will get information later. And let's jump into BTC, the charts. And BTC is not over, man. In next 2 months, so BTC is already, you see, on weekly is already breaking. So next week we have only 2 days and 10 hours to Bitcoin to confirm. I've already keep my charts. The first target will be 51, between 53, yeah, 53. But the real one, which is if you want to go to buy next 2 months, Bitcoin is going to decrease a lot of percentage, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to lose towards 40,000 K, and that is going to come in next few weeks. It's not it's not a day. Yeah, it's just get started. This preparing the way. This thing, guys, when this on boil plant, when it's stock is going to make the curve. It's taking some days, you see. It was just hitting bounces, and then I was telling you guys this thing is going to come down when it was around 68,000. See now. In fact, you know what? This today, BTC is closing here, and then another day, another candlestick, which is, you know how this is playing. Another candlestick which is going to open from here, and it's going to drop. Remember, this line is giving straight line, and this one is going to make a curve, and this one is going to follow straight. Every time it's going to open, hitting, touches, bounces, open, touches, daily. Remember this daily until, yeah. So that's why I told you in FET, not MicroStrategy, that one cannot. That one is going to drop a fair craze. It's only the news just coming in. People are. Some guy came, like say, he's targeting 3,000 on MicroStrategy, and the people still buying deep, but it's not over. It's not over. The only thing, if you want to stay out, so you can stay out, because this thing is going to drop in 60 days consecutive. You will see less days, so maybe to reach oversold, bounces back, and today now we are going to see a different thing, which is the supports and on BTC, and we are going to use weekly, because weekly is one of the important thing, and because stock now right now 63,100, we are going to watch this 63,100. It might be bounces, and then next week is going to open to go to 52. That's simple, guys. 52,963 or 95. That's the next on this July, and August we can close around 34,000. So maybe 52 is going to hold, but go and watch 62. That is where we can. Nothing will. Let's see daily. What daily is telling us. So on suppose on BTC is telling you BTC after breaking 65,300, the next one 58, closely 49, 43, and more. So that I don't want to use daily, because I like to use weekly, because weekly is giving the broader market some months, long term, and the short term can see some small bounces. So I will not say there will not be a bounces. There will be a green day, maybe 1 day or 2 days before killing it. And this is what, guys, the one which helped me so much is to use the simple moving average. So this is what I saw when when stock around this area. This I saw Bitcoin, man, this one is going to drop. So I use the simple moving average, and then simple moving average is going to explain more. And you see, this is the weekly. That's why I'm gonna say next week is going to be red. So probably tomorrow is going to close here, and we have enough confirmation. And the one of the indicators, guys, is called FET, injective, and helium. You see, this one keep trying, but it's going to, if you buy FET without fear and doubt, this way you are going to buy FET next 50 cents. I know people from here, your watch, this way you are going to buy FET. You are going to buy FET at 0.5, and near we are going to buy near around what the price of the near. This way you are likely to buy near $2.60 You see that area? Yeah, guys, that's why I told you need to watch. This way we are going to buy near in future. And Solana you can buy 80 and 40. So Solana In fact, this 85 and between 79, this area the first area to buy, and the best area to buy will be 20 for Solana. I know, I will tell you the reason. Number one, there is such a way I can see these things. You know, Solana came to $9, right? Let's forget about this $9 because this one FTX. So let's assume the lowest point for Solana to come was 19. Yeah, you can record this one because it was a panic and people forced Solana to crash. Yeah, this is not a usual crash. This was the people to force, and this when I saw Solana it's time to buy. I bought my Solana from here, sold most of them. Even I sold everything on Solana around 130 or 100, and I'm ready to get Solana around between $40 and $60. The better place to buy Solana is right now. Let's use monthly. Monthly is going to explain more. Monthly, this is going to fall straight. This money will close around this area and open, falling toward 80 is better price. You see this, it was a lot of legs here, and confirming you can buy $80 and 40. So I was trying to make this 40, but we have scenario to buy at 40. Yeah, my prediction can be. So guys, if you watch until this and end of this area, so thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and I like the coins. It's always telling one thing. So let's see helium. We are going to see helium. Helium, guys, the one of the coin which started pumped, and it's explain more thing. This thing started the lowest it was $1.29, and I was running my technicals, and this thing, the price you can buy it was around 150. Yeah, this by now this is the only coin which is less volatile, and I'm watching this area. If this market is going to be like this, so we touches this area, and then you must watch this 250 something. I was watching because we want to see what candles is going to open, and even we can see also how the daily is going to play, because we have several things over going on, and you know, another thing that I fear buying this one we have some ugly candlestick over here, and it's not already breaking this moving average. This is going to be huge. But now if you want something which is going to be rocketing, is called Ethereum name. This one is extremely bullish, and you see all of the charts, weekly, monthly, is giving very well, because it skyrocket hitting that something came all the way to bottom. This one explains exactly what I was saying. Remember, the bottom was $6, and then it dipped towards, I think this is the leading, it dipped to $10, you see, and that's other stock doesn't they have not hit like that one. So Ethereum name is the one of the best indicator, which is telling you most of the stock is going to test if stock push it like 1500%, it's going to lose all of the more than 50%. And let's see, Ethereum name, Lido is the coins which is we must watch, because Lido the dip was it was around what 90 something cents, and the latest double bottom here is came, it closed here, right? And you see right now is now the candles which is going to open on T-stock or Lido. Lido is the one of the stock right now I'm watching. I'm monitoring very closely. Yeah, you see it's already on weekly, it's reclaimed. I will not buy until I see above here. So this one, whenever it come like this, I knew this is really the time to buy on weekly. So daily I will not watch on dailies. You see, daily always it can fuck you, daily it can fake you. So I don't want to use daily of anything. And Unisub is another thing that I'm still monitoring. I was bullish and then he dropped 2 days and he's trying now catching up on weekly. Is very bullish. And this one started from $4. It dipped after skyrocket, it came to 5. This one has some steps tested. This one, it does a lot of support between $6 here now. And you see on weekly. And let's check on monthly what's going on monthly. So I have only 3 stocks coins, which is what we're going to buy right now: Unisub, Ethereum, and Lido. So those are the best coins. And Tesla. So Tesla also is on my play monitoring. I tweeted, guys, Tesla, you will not see Tesla coming below 177 again. And actually is doing the same thing. Apple is explained something, and Apple that 198 is where you can watch. Yeah, 198. If you see this weekly, it doesn't look good. And this maybe will be bullish, or will be the one of the bearish. But guess what? For me, maybe that was the bullish trend. And maybe next week is going to open testing around 106 or 105. And that when you need to buy. See guys, this is the longest video, and subscribe, like, and see.